A lot of people don't know the difference between a class action, a mass tort, or an individual personal injury action. They have very different meanings, and we actually do all three. The majority of our cases are individual personal injury actions where a person has a unique situation. They were in a car accident, or they were using a specific product and they were injured. And we investigate that action and we go forward in the best way to get the best recovery. A mass tort is when there are many people that have suffered a similar injury, but there's still an individual lawsuit filed on behalf of each one. But because there's so many and because they have similar information that needs to be disclosed in each case, all the cases from around the state are put into the same courtroom. It's for efficiency purposes. So it's called a mass tort because each individual person involved in that lawsuit has their own lawsuit, but it's coordinated for proceedings. A class action is when you have many unnamed members of a class. Class actions are most often used when there are little harms done to many people. For example, if 1 million people were overcharged $3 on their phone bill, nobody's going to go and file a lawsuit for $3. They're just going to be angry and pay it because they have no choice. But that is conduct that netted the phone company $3 million. And that's wrong. And they shouldn't be allowed to do that. And so what a class action does is it calls that type of conduct into check. It says you can't do that. You can't take advantage of very many people in little ways for a business advantage or usually to make more money. And so a class action doesn't have to have every single person named. It's one single lawsuit in which the class is the plaintiff.